All right, so now that we have the square, let's go ahead and let's take a look at how we can randomize the colors. So let's put this somewhat up at the top here. Let's add in the function, and we'll say function, we'll call this randomize squares. And in here, we're going to add in the color square. And remember, this is the integer that's going to keep track of the square here, is going to be int, it's going to be arc for random uniform, and it's going to be 2. Now what that's going to do is that's going to put it in between 1 and 2, or 0 and 1. It rarely gets to 2, if ever. So we're going to say if color square is double equal to 0, then what we're going to say is left square dot color is equal to off-white color. And then right square dot color is equal to, and it's only one equal, okay, is equal to off black color. All right, and then we're going to say left square dot name is equal to left square white. Okay, and then we'll say that the right square dot name is equal to nil. So we're using the name as a point of comparison. Now you do have to set the colors manually. Now what I'll do is when you have something that's this simple, you can literally copy and paste it, except for we're going to make this 1. We're going to switch off white with off black, and then off white, off right square with off white, and then we're going to say this is right square white. Say that 10 times fast. And then we actually need to go and put this in the right square, and then the left square we're going to say is nil. Okay, now this is going to be important when we add in our touch location logic here. Okay, now what this means here is we need to call this, okay, we'll call this randomize square, and just to test it, every time we touch, let's call randomize square. So we're going to add in a little bit of debug code just to see if this works. Now the name isn't going to have an effect on the way it works here, but you can see here every time that I do this here, it's going to go and switch it. Okay? So that's actually kind of neat what we have here. So every time I click it, and we do know that this works here. Okay? So this concludes the tutorial.